Hi, I'm Rachael. In this video, we'll look at what it means to store your documents in OneDrive in the cloud and how it can revolutionise the way you share documents with colleagues. Microsoft's Office 365 suite includes OneDrive, your individual storage space in the cloud. That means that rather than being stored by your company, the documents are safely and securely stored on Microsoft servers around the world. You can access them anywhere you have an internet connection. And you can synchronize a copy to your own device, so you have offline access as well. Go to office.com and log in, and then click on OneDrive. You can store documents in folders, just as you might be used to in your File Explorer. I'm going to create a new document inside this folder by clicking on New and choosing the kind of document I want. Instantly, my document's created inside that folder. I can give it a name and I don't need to save it. Office 365 has autosave. I'm automatically taken to work in Office Online, which has all the essential features I need from my Office programs, but I can click to open in the desktop version of the app to get full functionality. Once I've created my document, I can share it with colleagues using the Share button. Dependent on your organisation's setup, you may have all of these options or only some. One thing you will definitely be able to do is share with people in your organisation. You can choose whether they have access to edit the document or not. I'm going to allow editing in this case. You can send the link to specific people and add a message. They will receive a notification that you've shared it with them and can open the document from the link in the email. The great thing about sharing this way is that everyone has access to the same copy of the document. No more email attachments clogging up mailboxes and causing there to be multiple copies of the document. OneDrive even handles version control for you, where you can see and roll back changes that different contributors have made. We'll look at this in another video. With the sharing link, me and my colleague can edit the same document at the same time and see what the other is doing, making collaborating on documents seamless. We hope this video has been useful. Please see our other videos for more time-saving tips.